Welcome to another video and thank you for joining again. Today we're going to play with another design that would be a great alternative if you're not able to do freestyle or draw on your nail. So we're going to play with some stamping again today with some chrome powder and then with some cat eyes. You will start off with your base coat again and cure for 30 seconds. And then go in with your main color. Then cure again for 30 seconds. And then apply a second coat. And cure again for 30 seconds. And then I'm just going to use the same stamping plate that's been lying on my desk since I did the previous recording. Then we're just going to go in with a no wipe top coat to protect our image, and then we're going to cure for 30 seconds. And the reason why I only cured for 30 seconds is we're going to apply a chrome powder. We're just going to make use of our applicator by rubbing it onto the nail. Now we're going to start using our cat eye. I'm using a red color. I'm just putting a few drops onto my palette. Then we're going to make use of our liner brush and the small magnet. We're just going to start applying the cat eye onto our petals, but we're going to do one petal at a time. And once you're happy, we're going to cure the petal. We're going to cure each petal on its own. It might seem a bit tedious to do, but it will take me a lot longer if I had to draw the image that I currently have already. So we just fill in each petal and cure in between. This will once again just be a great alternative to use if you're not able to do some freestyle or drawing onto the nail. So this would be a great alternative to get the desired design. So we're just going to carry on, do the same for each petal. And once we're done, we're just going to get rid of the tacky layer on our design. And if you want to, you can go in with another layer of the chrome powder. And if you want to do that, we're just going to go in with another layer of the top coat. And cure for 30 seconds again. If you are happy with your design, you don't have to go in with this step a second time. Then we're going to go in with our applicator again, and then we're just going to clean our petals with a bit of our cleaning solution. This is what our complete design will look like. We're just going to go in with a no wipe top coat again and cure for 60 seconds. Now that we're done with the accent nails, we're just going to use some alternative colors to maybe go with the set. You can go in with either color, maybe a green or a red, or even purple. In this instance, I'm just going in with a gold, and I'm going to apply a bit of a green cat eye to it. This will be just to complete a set, maybe, if you would like to wear it. But like I said, you can combine it with any color you want. I could chase these glitters all day. I just love working with the cat eyes. It always gives a nice finish to any nail design. I hope that you would find this tutorial helpful, especially if you're not good at freestyle. Thank you once again for your time. Be kind to yourself and others. Till next time. Bye-bye.